Lucky color for the year 2026 forecast. Ito ang pinakamaswerteng kulay para sa taong 2026, the year of the Fire Horse. Isa ba kayo sa excited na nag-aabang kung ano ang lucky color taon-taon? Ang taong 2026 ay paghaharian ng Fire Horse at ito ay magsisimula sa February 17, 2026 pagkatapos ng huling araw ng paghahari ng Wood Snake sa February 16. Bagamat sa February 17 pa opisyal na papasok ang Year of the Fire Horse, nakasanayan na nating mga Pilipino na i-welcome at i-celebrate ang New Year sa January 1. Ayon sa Feng Shui, the Year of the Fire Horse will be strikingly hot and fast, combining the fiery energy of the horse with the fire element. Ito ay magdadala ng maraming magagandang bagay kasama na ang pagkakaroon ng dynamic changes in all aspects of our lives, bold decisions, and heightened adventure. However, the combination of fire and horse also suggests potential for intense energy and transformation, requiring balance and harmony in Feng Shui practices. Dahil dito, habang papalapit na ang New Year, ay mas tumataas din ang excitement at paghahanda natin to make the year 2026 even brighter and fruitful. At isa sa mga naging parte na ng ating tradisyon ay ang pagsusuot at pagdecorate ng ating tahanan in theme with the lucky colors and the color of the year para sa pagsalubong ng bagong taon. Pero ano nga ba ang pinakamaswerteng kulay para sa Year of the Fire Horse ngayong 2026 na makakatulong for us to activate our luck and prosperity for the whole year round? Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para mas dumami pa tayo dito sa aking channel. I would also love to hear and have some of your thoughts and wishes for the coming year 2026. Shout out po pala sa ating mga top commenters from last week. To Ma'am Mercy Adan, Ma'am Sandra Di Maranan, Ma'am Evelyn Simbulan, Ma'am Nelfa Sanez at Ma'am Anife Estrella. Thank you so much for leaving good comments. The year 2026 will be the year of the Fire Horse. Being said, the year will be fueled and ruled with fire element. Ang elementong ito rin ang may pinakamalaking impluensya sa magiging approach at kahinatnan ng taong darating. According to Chinese 5 elements theory, red is the main color associated and connected to fire element, which itself is symbolic of passion, vitality, and determination. Para sa taong 2026, the luckiest color of the year is vermilion red and fiery orange. These colors will add up to your year 2026 breakthroughs as it will fuel and level up the prosperity and positive flows of energy ng taon ng Fire Horse. For Chinese, red is one of the luckiest color at ito mismo ang isinusuot ng mga birthday celebrants at maging sa pagsulubong ng Chinese New Year dahil sa katambal nitong napakagandang enerhiya. Vermilion red represents extroversion and thinking. This is a very active color and drives us to positive and firm direction. For year 2026, this will help us activate the fire element in the year of the Fire Horse to have a much cleaner, direct, and straightforward approach in the things and plans that will make our year successful and meaningful. Fiery orange on the other side represents fire itself, fearlessness, and freedom. Red means stronger emotions, love, energy, life, passion, danger, strength, excitement, aggression, dominance, power, anger, rage, and more. So we also need to balance this lucky color with the elements that will help us control its bad side. These fortifying colors for the year of the Fire Horse 2026 will activate the positive fire element and attract more luck and success. But too much of fire will cause burns and aches. Thus, we need to balance it with the 2026 balancing colors to represent the water, earth, and wood elements. And the 2026 balancing colors are sky blue, buttercup, and meadow green. To ensure a prosperous and balanced year 2026, activate the Southeast for prosperity. For year 2026, ang Southeast sector ng inyong tahanan o negosyo ang siyang kaugnay sa kaperahan at pag-unlad. Dito ka maglagay ng green or purple o di kaya ng mga wood element to activate your financial success. Kailangan mo ring panatilihing malinis, clear at walang kalat o anumang harang ang pinakasentro ng iyong tahanan to allow positive energy to circulate freely throughout your home. Para naman sa iyong sarili, it is very festive to celebrate the new year wearing red and orange, which create not just a very lucky but makes the celebration more colorful and bright. For your day-to-day outfit, you can simply add up or incorporate the red or orange in your wardrobe. No need to wear red or orange from head to toe. Focus on the most easy and wearable thing that will be part of your daily outfit para hindi masyadong overrated ang dating. Ilang buwan na lang at sasalubungin na natin ang taong 2026, the year of the Fire Horse. With all good hopes and positive prayers, the year 2026 will be very successful para sa ating lahat, kagaya ng tingkad ng kulay na sumisimbolo sa swerte para sa taong ito. Once again, it's me, Gian, and thank you so much for always watching.